If you people are observing the news carefully these days, you must have observed that the number of rapes are increasing and they are getting horrendous by each passing day. 4-year girls are raped by grandfather, sister being violated by her own brother, child is harmed inside the house, the same house which is supposed to protect her. And this is no longer about law and order. This is actually a society which is bleeding from moral collapse. Still, we are responding with same old tools. Their trials are slow, justice is delayed, endless appeals. And there are prisons which are costing crores to state, while survivors are spending their lives paying with their body, mind, future. Now, I simply want to ask certain questions that why is the punishment looking like which is that it is designed for the comfort of criminal? If consumer dispute can have a separate consumer code, why can't the survivors of sexual violence have fast track survivor code, mandatory timeline, trauma trained judges, and zero adjournment culture? If financial crimes destroy money and get swift hearing, why does a crime that destroys a human being wait for years? And life imprisonment means life imprisonment. There should not be any parole, no remission, and no sympathy narrative at all. There should be high security, segregated prisons, permanent isolation from society, and there should be mandatory psychological evaluation, forced accountability. Let these people also understand what harm they have caused to the another human. Justice is not about taking revenge, but justice must hurt enough to deter, because we see that punishment is soft. That is why this crime is becoming fearless. That's why the numbers are increasing. And today, if we see, fear has changed sides. Criminals are absolutely fearless, children are not, women are not. And this is not our legal failure, this is a civilizational failure. We certainly should have separate court, separate system for the women who are going through the sexual harassment, sexual violence every single day. Then only we will be able to call ourselves as a safe country for women.